Let's dive right into some useful idioms that can enhance your communication skills in a military context. First up, to toe the line. This means to conform to rules or standards, crucial in maintaining discipline. Next, we have to hit the ground running. This idiom is all about starting a task with enthusiasm and energy, essential for any mission. Now consider to take the bull by the horns. This means to confront a difficult situation head-on, a vital trait for any leader. Another one is to burn the midnight oil, which refers to working late into the night, often necessary during intense training or operations. Lastly, to keep your ear to the ground means to stay informed about what's happening, a key strategy in military intelligence. These idioms not only enrich your vocabulary, but also help you communicate more effectively in high-pressure situations.